is the Lord and the company of your most established Zion and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Rastafari. Rastafari.
Now hear this. Massive, are you ready? Take it. Queen Majesty, may I speak to thee? Ooh. So much I've longed to speak to you alone. Truly I agree, I'm not of your society. Ooh. I'm not a king, just a minstrel, but my song to you I sing. Don't just a minstrel, and life is so far apart. Royal Queen, I see love in your eyes. Your eyes. I love you too. Your Majesty, I love you too. Oh man, Your Majesty. Oh, is it really true? These things I ask of you. Ooh. Oh, Your Majesty, could you really care for me? Just as long as you love me, and it won't be so hard. Oh no, Royal Queen, I see love in your eyes. Yeah. I love you too. Oh yeah, Your Majesty. I love you, Your Majesty. Oh yeah. Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no. Oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be breathed by the Father's hand. Leave up huge children. Oh yeah. Leave up past the children. The prophet rides again. The prophet rides again. Oh yeah. The prophet rides again. Oh yeah. Man. The prophet rides again. Well, when the children were beaten and weary, yeah. Then you taught us to fight on our enemies. Took us through life's tribulation, whoa. Yeah. Before us you made all the mysteries unfold. So I know he rides again. Oh yeah. Our prophet rides again. Oh yeah. The prophet rides again. Yeah. The prophet rides again. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Rastafari. Oh, 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 yeah.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine in justice sound.
Oh, yeah. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Fighting against the pressure. Ooh, yeah. Battering down the pressure. Oh yeah. Now, whoa. Right revolution. Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, few are chosen. Many are called, few are chosen. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.
The company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine in justice sound, yeah.
Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, few are chosen. Many are called, few are chosen. If you wanna live forever, you gotta love each other. Say you gotta live on forever, yeah. And love one another.
Is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine in justice sound, yeah.
I've got to get myself together. Yes. Can't afford to let my baby go. You know, whenever the sun comes a shining and my sisters are all smiling, nobody's dying. My people are crying. We are living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Oh, now, now. I say, oh, now, now. I say, oh. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Yeah! Each one is brother's keeper. As a unity is the foundation of survival. Got to let let your love come shining through. See, they stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting the sisters. Oh, now, stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Why lose your soul because of money? Leaving behind your woman and baby. Allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Man, woman, boy, and girl. Yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Say stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Oh, yeah, yeah. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Oh, now, now's the time for united sisters. Oh, well, now. Hey. Oh, well. The promised land. Going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Yeah. Make a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamaniland. Riding on the King's Highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh, to the promised land. Oh, to the promised land. Well, yeah! There's plenty of land for you and I, by and by. Lots of food to share for everyone. No time for segregation in the promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land. Oh, that's the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Yeah. Taking place in the iration, it's the taking place in the iration. In the beginning there was but one concept, and that's the concept of life. Then arose upon the young people, living that it's you and I. And from that day on, there is trouble in the world. From that day on, we've got wars and rumors of war. Nations rising up against nations. In this world, it's the Armageddon taking place in the iration, in the iration. It's the Armageddon taking place in the iration. And the ladies when they're in, wow, alright. Oh, brother, oh, brother, unite, oh, brother, I take you, oh, brother, unite.
Yeah, man, that's one of the sound to sound called Justice.
Stop the fighting, yeah, and leave upright. Be true to yourself, yeah, and see this light. True light, whoa, brother, unite. Oh, yeah. Brother, whoa, brother, unite. Come along, yeah, and dig my song. Too much wagonist, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yes, wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Yeah, too much informers, too much steel bearers, too much informers, too much steel bearers. Time to separate the sheep from the wolves. We're at the crossroads, and this is the time of decision. Too much informers, too much steel bearers, too much informers, too much steel bearers, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wherever you are, though you may be far, listen, I am the conqueror, so you must never try to conquer me. Neither should you call the sisters Lego beasts, because they're black enough for you to see. Yeah! Come, let's face reality. Tell me why you deal with brutality. It can't be to win the sisters' love. Why you treat them so rough? Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah! Cheer up, little girl. Yeah! Cheer up all the way, yes. Cheer up, oh yeah. Every day, yes, every day. In every way, yes. Oh, yeah. Yes, oh yes. Every day, oh, cheer up, yeah! In your yes, let the sisters feel good. Treat them like a good brother should. And they will love you more and more each day, in a respected way. In a respected way. In a respected way. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, now I said, see, you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. No, wanna be no general to end up in a funeral. I don't wanna be no general to achieve only a burial. Oh no, Lordy, 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 Lord.
When I say more, you say fire. More,
Whoa,
more fire.
I said the race is not for the swift, but for who can endure it. The race is not for the swift, but for who can endure it. So you ride like lightning, you crash like thunder. Yeah! Crash on them. Say you ride like lightning, you crash like thunder. Yeah. I said you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. Yeah! I said you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. Yeah! Said you know. Yeah, said you know. Oh, man, yeah.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine in justice sound, yo.
Yeah, but now swear to survive the sound called justice.
The Lord God is with us. He gave us the moon and the stars and this blessed day. No regrets, no sorrow, no pain. No, no. Oh, Jacob, he recalls her name. My people know this day. My people think what's the day. Come along, tell me this day. Here we are singing and dancing. Together like one family. We all know, we all know, we all know what it is to be free. Let's all sing everything. My people don't need this day. Come along, my people think what's this day. Only dread can come over. Babylon never weeping, and the morning, yes, weeping, and the morning, Lord. Babylon never weeping, and the morning, yes, weeping, and the morning, because them mother them a drop out, and them not know to come over. Only dread can come over. Babylon can't get over. No, so whip them, jaja jaja, whip them, Lord. Whip them, jaja jaja, whip them. Whip them, jaja jaja, whip them, Lord. Whip them, jaja jaja, whip them. Betray them, I them. And the last them I want it. Babylon they don't like it. And the daughter they love it. I know the weak and them a scatter, and the dread them a scatter, cause the dread them know better. Jaja live forever. Yes, whip them, jaja jaja, whip them, Lord. Whip them, jaja jaja, whip them. Whip them, jaja jaja, whip them, Lord. Whip them, jaja jaja, whip them. Only dread can come over. Babylon can't get over.
company of your most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
And sing the dark sayings of old. Doth not wisdom and knowledge stretch forth their hands? Unto you, O children, I cry. All the words of my mouth speak righteousness. All the days of my life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah, or man you will surely fail. Oh yeah, na na na, yeah. In laughter the heart is sorrowful, your folly is your reward. Better a dinner of herb where love is, than feasting where there is wrath. All the words of my mouth speak righteousness, all the days of my life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah, amen, you will surely fail. Oh yeah, na na.
Company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Take heed, your people, and live upright, for this is the time that will tell, when the righteous ones shall stand up strong. Oh, why did the heathen rage? All the words of my mouth speak righteousness, all the days of my life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah, amen, you will surely fail. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, said you will surely fail. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, now. Said I will open my mouth in a parable and sing the dark sayings of old. Not wisdom and knowledge stretch forth their hands. Unto you, O children, I cry. All the words of my mouth speak righteousness, all the days of my life will tell. Take heed of the works of Jehovah, and you will surely fail. Children of Israel, and listen to the words of a prophet. The wages of sin is death. Now the gift of God is eternal life. The truth is a fact that we all
Great is the Lord and the company of the most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Children of Israel, take heed and listen to the words of a prophet. The wages of sin is death. Now the gift of God is eternal life. The truth is a fact that we all obey. So there's no need to feel no strife while there is life against your brothers, oh your sisters. Children of Israel, keep listening. Yeah. They say the other half has not yet been told. There is a book of knowledge. It's there for those who want the truth and right. Truth and right. Truth and right. There is the book of knowledge, yeah. It's there for those who want to learn truth and right, truth and right. Oh yeah now, yeah now. Oh yeah. So just say I must have let him down. So just say I must not let him down. Don't let him down, don't let him down. Cause if I do, I'm gonna have to pay. If I do, I'm gonna have to pay. So just say no, 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 don't let him down, let him down. So just say don't let him down, let him down, let him down. And no matter where you run to for rescue this day, he's gonna find you anyway. So just say no, 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 let him down, let him down, let him down. So just say no, let him down, let him down, no, no, no. Oh yeah now, oh yeah now, oh now now. I said to fear the Lord, yeah, is to hate evil. Pride and arrogance, and of the evil way. I said the fear of the Lord, yeah, I used to hate evil. Pride and arrogance, and of the evil way. So just say no, 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 let him down, let him down, let him down. So just say no, let him down, let him down, let him down. Cause if you do, you're gonna have to pay. If you do, you're gonna have to pay. So just say no, 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 let him down, let him down. Gotta help our brothers one by one, two by two. In the sea. Oh yeah, now see. I'm sure my days will be long and my nights won't be few.
This is the Lord and the company of your most established sign and dirt. Cause your light to shine in just this sound, yeah.
Gotta help our brothers one by one, two by two. In the seas. Oh yeah, now see. I'm sure my days will be long and my nights won't be few. Through the visions that's in me, I can see clearly where there is gonna be peace, love and harmony, black understanding among my people. Oh yes, among my people. They're gonna jump and shout, black liberation, yeah. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding, yeah.
Yeah, man, I swear to God, this is God
We're
justice.
gonna jump and shout, black liberation, yeah. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding, yeah. Oh yes. And then people will try to cut you down, trying their very best to rearrange you. But no matter what they do, they won't conquer you, matter what they do. Oh no, we're gonna free our brother. We're gonna free our brother. We're gonna help our brother. We're gonna love our sisters. Then we're gonna jump and shout, black liberation, yeah. Oh yes, we're gonna sing and shout, the right understanding, yeah. Oh yes, we're gonna jump and shout, black liberation, yeah. On earth we gotta live in perfect harmony. But you, at you, not you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Are you picking up? Oh yeah, oh yeah. I was appointed, my love is mercy. Accept it for what it's worth. My love is pure and true. I'll never lead you astray. Your love is merciful, reaching out for this world. His love is everlasting, shining bright as the morning star. So in your time of desperation, you won't be despised or even be trampled, oh no. If only you give him your heart and a soul, frustration, depression, confusion, you overthrow. Hey, 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 your love is everlasting. Reaching out for the world. His love is pure and true, shining bright as the morning star. Yes, in your time of temptation, don't let the devil lead you to destruction, no. Just let your heart be pure and true, and you'll have endless days awaiting you. Every man has an equal right to live and be free, no matter what color, class, or race he may be. Treat him right, Lord, and treat him good. Take a tip from me, don't tag him on the tree. We should never give against another man. No, 'cause every man has an equal right to live and be free, no matter what color, class, or race he may be. Remember, we're all one flesh and blood. Keep your brother up, don't push him in the mud. We should never give against another man. No, no, no.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine in just this sound, yeah. just this sound, yeah.
Rough as the road might seem to be, I'll be toiling on. I'll be myself and no one else. I'll be strutting on. Oh yeah, right now, I must go through tribulation to where he's from. If he's a man with understanding, he'll then know that time alone will tell. But fools know it not understanding, and why they stumble, never going to their way. Oh yeah, but wisdom is too high for them. Oh yeah, I damn. I must go through tribulation to know himself. I say the man must go through tribulation, no matter where he's from. If he's a man with understanding, he'll then know that time alone will tell. So not understanding and why they stumble, never going to their way. Oh yeah, but wisdom is too high for them. Boy, yeah, yeah. Boy, yeah. Why fools don't know themselves? Yeah, why fools, yeah, don't know themselves? Yeah, if it's their own mistake, they can't stop to wait to stop and change the time. It's the fulfillingness that is happening now, and it's there for all to see. The time we are living in, yeah, the time, yeah, we are living in, yeah, why fools don't know themselves, yeah, why fools don't know themselves, yeah, I see road, yeah, I see the road is icy, it can be slippery, yeah. Oh boy, nice and slow, but vision is down below. Don't you kill your brother, man, don't you shoot your brother down. Take a ride, whoa. Take a ride, I say. Take a ride on the stagecoach, yeah. Take a ride, brother man, take a ride. Life is much too short. There is so much for you to enjoy. Take a ride, brother man, take a ride. I will never ever give a man more than he can live. Take a ride, although the living ain't easy, well, get yourself together, brother man, and get on board. Just time for the train to leave. Whoa, the brother man, take a ride, brother man, take a ride. Here comes the stagecoach. Take a ride, brother man, take a ride. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I saw them die. They persecute die, and I can feel it. How long must the wicked reign? How long will they put my doggone people to shame? So they fight, so they die. They persecute I, and I can feel it. How long must the wicked reign? How long will they put my doggone people to shame? Yeah, so they run come, so they carry come, so they bring come, so they tumble down. How long must the wicked reign? Hey, how long will they put my doggone people to shame? Oh, 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 oh.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established sign in dirt. Cause your light is shining just this sound, yeah.
Yeah! So they fight, I saw they die. They persecute, and they feel it. How long must the wicked reign? How long will they put my dog on people to shame? Oh yeah. Breaking down the barriers that separate you and I. They seem so hard at times, but we can make it if we try. Collectively we are one, with the same job to do. Eventually we must reach the next point of view. The pain is holding us down. But if we had what life to share, our lives would be more fun. Philosophers, they philosophize, and sometimes they're not right. Politicians, they politicize, more times they crucify.
you must stop the sign and dirt. Cause your light is shining just this sound, yeah.
Created a man. Look at the trees, how their leaves are blowing away in the skies. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the sun, how it shines bright in the skies. Well, all these things were created by the Father. Look at the grass, how it makes your lungs look pretty. Look at the flower, how it makes your gardens look pretty too. Even when you're feeling weary, sad and low, all you got to do is relax and feel the cool wind blow. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, boy, yeah.
Praise is the Lord and the company of the most established sign and dirt. Cause your light is shining just this sound, yeah.
Look at the trees, how their leaves are blowing away in the skies. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the sun, how it shines bright in the skies. Well, all these things were created by the Father.
Never falsely accused, no man in this life now. If you do, you'll be weak and faint, covered with bruises from head to foot. You'll be a weak man. Oh gosh, you'll be a weak man. Unanointed and around. Said you had no abiding place. Oh, can't you see that you're leaving? Yet you're a healthy man. Oh gosh, I said you'll be a weak man. Whoa, a weak man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah. Couldn't take another day. Oh gosh, no way, no. Never falsely accused, no man in this life now. If you do, you'll be weak and faint, covered with bruises from head to foot. You'll be a weak man. Whoa, a weak man. Yeah. Unanointed and about. Said you had no abiding place. Oh, can't you see that you're living and you're an healthy man? Oh gosh, I said you'd be a weak man. Whoa.
Great is the Lord and the company of the most established sign and dirt.
You know what I mean? Can't keep a good man down. 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 Oh. Before dishonor, I could never betray my brothers. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my color.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established lying in dirt. Cause your light is shining just this sound,
Yeah. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my brothers. Yet before dishonor, I could never betray my color. No matter what the world's about, enough respect to my brother. No matter what the world's about, enough respect to my color. Go away and stay away. You ain't got no culture. Go away, stay away. You're acting like bullshit. Go away, stay away. You're bound to the bullshit. Go away. Yeah. Go away. Go away. Ooh-wee. Go away. Remember what the Bible said. Seek, oh well, before one of his words passed away. Yeah, oh well, the heaven and the earth I said. So start praying. The wicked will never get away. No, no way. Before dishonor, I could never betray my brother. Go away. Go away. Yeah.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established lying in dirt. Cause your light to shine in just this sound,
Well, mine. I play rubber dub all the time, and I play guitar style. Play it all the while. Ain't it a rubber style? Ain't it a different style? I play it anytime. Play it all the while. This world only mine. Oh, if this world only mine. What y'all? Easy, take it easy. What make you so rough? Yo, easy, take it easy. You're too rough, and that you're too tough. Said that you're too rough, and that you're too tough. Easy, take it easy. I'll be right there with you. Easy, take it easy. Do what you can do. I'll be right there with you.
Great is the Lord and the company of your most established lying in dirt. Cause your light to shine in just this sound,
Rastafari. Rastafari. Oh, yeah. I just wait for a stroke, but when I returned, I saw this note underneath my door. Stay, you'll never see me again. So now our love must end. You'll never see me again. again, my friend. Cause I'll be taking the strain, I'll be taking the westbound train. I'll be going to a place where there is happiness. So you'll never ever see me again. So now I'll love my stand. You'll never ever see me again, my friend. No, you'll never ever see me.
If you won't stop the sign and dirt, cause the light is shining just this sound, yeah.
My life has changed from the first day I met you. Oh yes, the first day I met you. Girl, my life has changed from the first day I met you. Oh yes, oh yeah, oh yeah.
And the company of your most established Zion and dirt, cause your light to shine and just this sound, yeah.
Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? Should I float around? Why should I think this way? Thinking that you're going away. There ain't no way we'll stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and gay. You don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know how it feels to be loved. Oh no. Just can't get no love. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. I'm praying for a girl to be my own. Sonia said she coming, but I don't believe her word. She said, 'cause she ran away and left me. One rainy day, she made me had in mind that her love would never die. And now I'm alone, yeah, so alone, so alone. Yeah, yeah, money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Oh no. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Outside,
I tell you, yeah. And the things that people say, yeah. Make you wanna live every day.
Yeah, man, that's what it's all about. It's all about justice.
A little bit more. Yeah. A little bit more than before. Yeah. Yes, it was love, 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 right in yeah. Yes, in a way, oh gosh, yeah. See, just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more than before, yeah. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more than before, yeah. Oh, I wake up in the morning with my hair down in my eyes, and she says and then I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids were going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out and takes my hand, squeezes it and says, how you feeling now? And then I look across her smiling lips and warms my heart and see my morning sun. And if that's not loving me, and all I've got to say, oh God, give me the little bit apples, it don't rain, give me apples in the summertime. There's no such thing as mother's shoes, Disneyland and Mother Goose, ain't no nursery rhyme. Charging me the little green apples, it don't rain, green apples in the summertime. When the myself is feeling low, I think about the face of glow that he is my mind. And sometimes I call her up at home, knowing she's so busy. Bring me some back of light to eat. She drives what she's doing, and always never me, and I'm always away. She sits waiting patiently, smiles when she first sees me, 'cause she was made that way. And if that's not love to me, then all I've got to say, charging me a little bit apples, it don't rain, little apples in the winter time. Oh no, there's no such thing as mother's shoes, Disneyland and Mother Goose, ain't no restaurant.
Yeah, man, that's what it's all about. It's all about justice.
She didn't mad at I. As I fix my bed, she
But people, let me tell you, oh, I never reached the door.
And the company of the most established sign in dirt. Cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Sitting here watching fools like themselves when they should all be thinking of getting to know themselves. While life goes on, everyone's got to stay strong. You can't surrender, no, no, no. Giving your heart and soul to vanity makes your life filled with pain and misery. While life goes on, everyone's got to stay strong. You can't surrender, no, no, no. Oh no. Well, yeah. Yeah! Alright.
Sign and dirt. Oh, cause your light to shine and justice sound, yeah.
Oh Lord, got a hold on to me. Your sweet love got a hold on to me. Listen, girl, you got me here tonight, and the feeling is right. Do hold me tight. Let's make love till morning light. Cause your love's got a hold on me. Your sweet love got a hold on me. I said your love's got a hold on me. Yeah! Your love's got a hold on me. Hold on, this is for real. Whoa. I'll be your friend for life.
Hail the king. Love, no? Honors. Respect. Oh, Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh, Jah, for you I sing this song. Let the earth rejoice, multitudes be glad. Clouds and darkness surround him. Righteousness and justice is the foundations of his throne. A fire goes before him and burn all his enemies. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. His lightning lights the world. The earth sees and trembles. Mountain men like what? Of the presence of Jah, the King of kings and the Lord of lords, the conquering lion. Oh Jah, to whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. To whom vengeance belongs. Oh Jah, for you I sing this song. Zion hear and was glad. Daughters of Judah rejoice. 'Cause Jah is the most high above the earth. He is to be exalted, high above all gods. He who loves Jah hates evil. Run, Jah is the ruler. The ruler. Run, come, Jah is the ruler. The ruler. The ruler. He preserves the soul of his saints. Deliver them, oh Jah, out of the hands of the wicked. Life for the righteous, gladness for the upright in heart. Rejoice in Jah, in the remembrance of his holy name.